What's up, everybody? Got some carbon fiber here, as you guys saw from the previous video. We got the spoiler. Then we have the diffuser, so we're gonna put that onto the C63 AMG. We also bought a Christmas tree, which is right down there. We're gonna unbox it, and it's gonna go on the top of the car, and then we're gonna wrap it around with lights, and it'll be super cool. So let's first clean this surface right here, because honestly, the car right now looks like complete shit, because it's missing a spoiler, and it looks like somebody kicked it in the nuts down there. It looks like somebody just literally took it right off, and it has no diffuser. So let's clean the surface and let's get this on. Okay, let's clean the surface, because this has been sitting for quite a while. So we're gonna make sure this is all nice and clean. And yeah. There we go. Pretty straightforward. Yep. No oil, no nothing. Okay, and now, in the meanwhile, we're gonna do two different things here. We're gonna have the spoiler go on, and we're gonna have to put on the diffuser. So Alexandra is gonna do the tape on the literally just bashes it. No, you're good, you're good. Okay.
Trying to be gentle. Oh, this needs to be cleaned.
It is clean, I literally cleaned it.
There's dust on it.
Okay, here, let me give you something to clean it.
Like, what the hell?
Okay, and while the tape is applied to the spoiler, we're gonna put on this diffuser. So we need this, this, and this. So I'm gonna climb underneath the car, kind of, not really, and attach this. So from what I remember, there is a left side and right side. That's obviously the right side. Come on. I hope this fits. Honestly, if it doesn't, then I'm gonna shoot someone. And it'll probably be myself. Just kidding. Not kidding. Yes. Okay, it fits. This is a good sign. This is a good sign. The Chinesium has fit the OEM stuff. Okay, so they fit, which is good. They clip in. Now we are gonna secure it to the bottom of the car, and let's see if it'll actually fit properly. Moment of truth. You guys are gonna find out with me. That sits behind. Okay, never mind. I'm kind of retarded. I put this too early when I should have put it afterwards. It does clip in, which is a good sign, but I clipped it in way too early. Okay. This goes underneath, behind, like that, and that goes like that. There. Everybody thought, oh, it's easy to put on a diffuser, no problem, just fucking clip it in. Yeah, it's super easy. Okay, I think we're getting close to getting this on. Okay, on the left side it went on pretty well. On the right side, might need a little bit of persuasion, so yeah, now you guys gonna see me go underneath. Okay. She tight, we good. On one side.
I don't like this job. I'm not very good at it.
You're not very good at it?
I need you to get my scissors. I'm cutting it with a fucking knife.
Okay, so we're having a little bit of trouble here.
No, we're not.
That-
You're getting a knife. Fucking knife.
a knife to secure this on.
Yeah, and look,
It's okay, you're doing good. You're doing good.
I
You're
know,
doing
I
good.
fucked this up.
You're doing good. All right, and I'm gonna finish up this diffuser because it's kind of crooked over there. Okay guys, the diffuser is not very diffusing right now in this area over here. Yeah, it doesn't really want to fit. I think it's too short. Yeah, it's too short. So I don't know, we'll probably take this off for now and try to figure something out. But in the meanwhile, we are ready to put this spoiler onto the car. So let's do this. Okay, we're gonna put this spoiler on at least. This one we know is gonna fit for sure.
Okay, just line it up where you want it.
Okay, I am lined up. I'm ready to put it down. You ready to put it down?
No.
Just line it up. You good? Ready? Ready?
No.
Let's do it. We got this. You got this.
Well, is that where you want it?
A little bit now. Come on. A little bit now. No, I don't feel it. I think we're good. Wow, look at that. It's definitely not going anywhere. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good on both sides. Okay, we're good. This one is good. Let's see how it looks from behind. It looks fucking sick, yo. It looks sick. There. Now the car has some life back to it. Except that looks kind of retarded. So I don't know what we're gonna do here.
A few zip ties.
A few zip ties. Zip ties will always fix that. Oh, we gotta think about it. Anyways, let's
put the self-tapper.
self-tapping screw right there. Yo, I'm actually down, yo. Let's do it. We're gonna put a self-tapping screw right there. I think it's just, yeah, it's too short. We'll figure it out. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clean up this little mess and we're gonna unbox this Christmas tree. We're gonna bring down the ski racks and we're gonna put the ski racks on these little things. We're gonna tighten it all up and then we will run the Christmas tree on top of there. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's go grab the ski racks. Okay guys, we did a little bit of stupidity. So before we can actually install the ski racks, we gotta actually get the keys for them. And I have no idea where they are, so let's go grab us some keys so we can put on this Christmas tree and these lights onto this ski rack on top of the car. So let's go grab some. Okay, so we have the ski racks and we have the key. So we have now begun the process of putting on the ski racks onto the C63 AMG. I'm gonna tighten this one up, then we'll do the back one. We'll attach the covers, we'll lock everything up, and then the Christmas tree is gonna go right on top of the two of them, and then we're gonna wrap up some lights. So let's get these on. So the ski racks are on. They are more or less secured. We got the new keys, locked them all. Now Alexandra is gonna do the honors of using the dangerous Swiss Army knife. We got our Christmas tree, and let's assemble it, and then we're gonna throw it up onto here, and we're gonna wrap it around with all of these lights. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Let's see. This is so sick. Okay, here, let me help you, one sec. Okay, so we got this tree, and when we opened it from the box, it literally looks super thin, and we were worried that we're gonna have a thin tree, but we opened up all of the branches, and it looks absolutely amazing. So let's get this tree on these racks and we'll start wrapping it up. Let's do this. Actually, you know what? You guys are gonna get a time lapse of this, so I'm gonna throw it on there and you guys can watch us go woo in circles. Okay, and just like that, we have all the lights attached to the tree. It's nice and secure. It's definitely not going to go anywhere. It does have a little bit of play, which is fine. But let's start the car and then we'll turn on the lights and let's see how it looks. Got our little plug down here. Just got to start the car and connect it to the 110 volt plug right down there. All right, well, 115, but let's do this. Let's go. So we're gonna start the car, and then I'm gonna connect it, and hopefully this all lights up perfectly because we've got all the connections going. Let's do this.
That's freaking sweet.
That is sick. That is so cool. Oh my god. Okay, and now we can even adjust it a little bit. We can move them around. I can see that some of them are off, but I think the reason why is because there was one that was broken, right?
Yeah.
So I think we should be fine. But we can adjust it a little bit to cover some of the dead zones. Maybe up there. Okay. This is gonna be so much fun when we drive it. I'm so excited. Let's do this. Okay, and that's the C63 AMG with the Christmas tree on the roof. We did a absolutely amazing job. Yeah, it looks sick. Okay, so guys, stay tuned for some more. I'll see you guys tomorrow.